How to set up timer multiple photo shot for camera on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on set camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and here showing you camera assistant. Click on camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, scroll down and you will see click on timer multiple photo option. Click on timer multiple photo option and you will see select picture 1 picture, 3 picture, 5 picture, 7 picture, and select time 1 second, 1.5 seconds, 2 second, 2.5 seconds, and 3 second. After set time, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up timer multiple photo shot for camera on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.